What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel SK Home Designs. So, friends, in this video, I will show you wonderful, colorful type of garden aesthetic ideas. As we all know that garden attracts the viewer in case of beauty and wonderful flowers. These garden ideas I have compiled for you to show you how you can decorate your backyard garden or your front lawn or your hallway, or you can say your home plants. Some people prefer stone walkways in between your garden, or you can say corner garden. If somebody have corner plot, they can decorate this plot according to their ideas and can turn it into a beautiful garden. It's always about the flowers and other plants that can make your garden more beautiful. If we talk about plants or planters, hanging plants, hanging flowers, or pots, flower pots, you can see in this video.
I hope you like this video. Thank you.